My name is LaTanya Jackson, and I'm the founder of the Butterfly Coils Project. I want to talk to you guys about my parents' Look and Learn session, which is one of my favorite services that I offer in my salon. I want you to see what to expect during your visit and why most of my guests say that it's an appointment that lasts a lifetime. You'll see just how simple natural hair care can be with 3 easy steps: cleanse, condition, and style. If you really want to step out of frustrating wash days and into a satisfying wash hour, this is the appointment for you. Best of all, I will give you and your child the confidence, tools, and knowledge you need to let them wear their natural hair out, down, and free. Now, if you're unable to book an appointment here in my salon, you can still receive all of this education by purchasing my online digital course via my website by clicking that Enroll button. Thanks again for watching.